buddies.
Buddies!
Every gear is going to be full throttle. No more puttering around. Every gear you will hit red line and then shift. You will hit red line and then shift. You will hit red line and then shift. Choppy throttle is the biggest criminal that is slowing you all down. Roll the throttle, roll the throttle, roll the throttle. Then I cut throttle because I reach the next turn. Then I turn the bike, then I open the throttle, open the throttle, open the throttle, open the throttle. I reach the next turn, cut the throttle, turn, open the throttle, open the throttle. But once you open the throttle, you can't do this. You do this, what's happening? The bike bounces. The reason that you want to hit the apex late on any corner that has a straight after it is so that you can get maximum drive. So you can come on the gas and the bike will float itself to the outside of the track. Comfortable? Now turn, right turn. That's it. That's all. So when you push like this, guys, when you push like this, don't hold it, okay? Just keep your hand loose. It will come back straight by itself. So as soon as it turns, the handle will come back straight by itself. The handle should be very loose. You should be holding it with no pressure.
This is fine, huh?
What is fine, huh?
That's it.
No, you have to do this. No, the fork should not move.
The idea is to go smooth on the brakes.
Okay.
Okay?
We are not riding from here to we are riding from there to the cone. Accelerate, full throttle, wrap. See this gauge? So go all the way to the top, shift. Go.
Full throttle, load, squeeze. Okay, my hand. Okay, this is starting. Load, squeeze. Get it? Go.
Why are you standing up and all? You have to hold the tank. Oh, here. No, one more time.
Last one's good.
Almost not so bad. Oh, still there is little more.
Try and keep the bike as upright as possible and move your body out. So I want to keep the bike as straight as possible and bring my body into the lean. Watch. My hand goes like this and this elbow bends a little bit and my body comes up like this.
I'm going to try the RC390. I haven't rode this bike before. Thank you so much for Ajit for giving me this opportunity. It's like the best learning experience. So one of the things he said was the instructor while saying that motorcycle is an uncrashable object. It doesn't crash. It's because of the gyroscopic effect. It always stays on the ground. It's we actually who I guess screw up. Today was like a super educated session. Yesterday we lost because of the rain. I guess whoever come here, they'll get one more day as a compensation. So it was crazy learning. I made so many friends, and thank you so much for Atomic Motorsports to inviting me for this event. And now the photo session is happening. Thank you so much. So one question on video. So how much do you recommend this for a tourer?
I think it's very, very good for a tourer.
Okay.
The reason being, the skill sets that you learn here will be the same on the road.
Almost same on the road.
And the other thing is, after riding on racetrack, generally the turns on the road
Correct.
seem like less
Cornerings
turns.
and correct.
So these very tight turns, and you're
Correct.
taking it a lot.
So much.
So hopefully to see you guys next time. Do subscribe to our Facebook page, and we'll update our next session there. Thank you all. Okay. Thank you everybody.
This is our instructor's bike. I actually, even though I got so many scoldings, I managed to put this on his bike. I mean, with his permit. I mean, he only actually asked me to put it on his bike. He only got to know at the end of the session, just an hour back, that I'm the GoPro man, and he doesn't know actually. He just knows that I have a YouTube channel. Hey guys, I'm back in the hotel now. It was like the best day. I learned, got to learn so many things. So it's around 8 p.m. now. One of my friend, he stays near Chennai, so I'll be riding now. I'll stay with him, and early morning maybe we'll visit the beach for the sunrise. So that's the plan. I actually didn't plan it properly. Otherwise, I could at least made a kind of like a meetup here. But I guess it's too late to actually call for a meetup and everything. See you on the road.
Alternate route.
I'll take this one then.
Okay.
Sir, man, nice meeting you. Okay, we can't see anything, but we are at the beach now. This beach is